Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the levels that I've talked about previously are still in play, and good to see that the one level, let me take a step back. Assuming you're bullish, assuming you're long, good to see that this level is still in play, and that comes about via this green line down here, which I talked about in previous videos, up around, the 48.50 mark, and you can see that this morning the price actually did drop down below there temporarily, but that didn't last very long, and then the price quickly snapped back up above it. But moral of the story here, good to see that 48.50. Assuming you're long, assuming you're bullish. If you're a short, then yes, of course, you don't like seeing that. But assuming you're bullish, then yeah, good to see that that level held and that the price was able to bounce back above it very nicely. But that doesn't change the fact that moving forward, not really anything new to talk about from the support side of things other than, yeah, 48.50 was that level of support that you would want to see act as support. It did indeed act as support, and it still is a level of support moving forward. And then on the flip side, the other level that still is, in play here is this area of resistance up here around $50.85, which again, never was really tested or anything like that today, but nonetheless is still going to be a key level to watch. So to be fair, with the price, getting a nice move to the upside, if this can continue, that is definitely where the big question mark resides in terms of roadblocks, in the sense of, right, yeah, the price has, grinded itself all the way up to that area. However, does this grind, does this movement actually have enough strength, some legitimate strength? And a good way to measure that legitimate strength is, again, how is it going to behave if it can get up to that area? So definitely keep a close eye on that moving forward. But all in all, after a very rough start to the day, definitely had a nice little recovery. So we'll see if the price can build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.